Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide likes on your Instagram account by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open your Instagram application, and whenever you are in a home section here, you just need to jump into your profile. And whenever you are in a profile, just take a look on this top right corner on these three straight lines, and then you just need to go click it. And you need to visit the settings and privacy. And whenever you are in a setting and privacy, you just need to scrolling down until you found this what you see. And now you just need to go into the like count and just go click this button to activate the like hide. So whenever you activate it, the like and share counts on your account will be hidden. So that is the way how to hide likes on Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel to discover more about the tips, tricks and hacks over the application that you use on your phone. See you!